What's up, everybody? What's going on? This is Naz from Prasad Studio. No, I've been busy. I'm not lying. I've been busy for a while now. You know what I'm saying? Been traveling, enjoying my life. People may recommend you to do the same. Live your life to the fullest. Live your life to the fullest, because we only have one life. One. Okay? Once it's gone, it's gone. Nobody knows the time, the minute, or the hour when it's gone. So enjoy your life. But anyway, I've been working on this video for a while now, and people, it's been very, very interesting. So interesting. I want you to take a look at it. You know what I'm saying? Leave your comments. Please subscribe. But listen to these young men's story. You know what I'm saying? So we pass them every single day at the stoplight, going and coming in. You know what I'm saying? And we'll never know what brings them out there, what put them out there in the first place. How them end up on the street doing all of this. So take a listen. Alright? And watch the videos and leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Alright? Thank you.
Get me off of the street and get a whole of the world.
My father don't care, you know. For me, I look a boy and my mother, you know. I'll shot we get and start.
Anything can happen when they take up gun and them thing they and shoot people and them thing the way I run from.
37, man. My wife before ever, man.
24 years old.
26.
27.
23. Work I forget, you know. I used to work at the export center, and the boss tell me I go overseas, I understand, and start to tell me I'm not going to such and such. You see, tell me I tough and way, I understand. So I decide to lower him on him work, you see. So, to me know me have two pitney now. I look side work from 3 miles and I not get no work. Normally I don't do them something, you see, as I can ask them. So I get 2 pitney, you understand. I don't want to sit down and see my pitney them suffer, you understand. So I rather hit the road for them, you see my boss.
I leave my work, become wife here. I work, but most of the money go to man. Down at the China, but I say, see me a wife.
If you can afford anything when we really want still, you know? Because certain things go down, you know. Certain of them youth that we see all me myself and not even have all our parents, our father and mother. Yeah, so we have to do what we have to do.
Don't know, you know, come out on the street because it's rough, you know. We not get no work and thing, you know. You see me, we not do no when I take up my gun and do no bag of no loose thing, you know. We just come out on the street, hustle and go where we have some of the man them give themselves be a problem at times still, but a circumstances, you see me.
No, it's a big man thing still. And I have nobody, my father dead, everybody dead, you know. Grandfather, just her mother alone. And she don't really have it to that, so we have to take the street feed, you see me? No, so we can make an honest bread. You see me? We don't want thief, nor grab no bag, nor none of them sitting there, you see what I go on? So we take it to the street, to name my food, you see me? All when it's rough, we still out, see me and fight the pressure.
What you know about pressure? What you know about pressure?
About 7 years. You don't achieve my school and then you come up.
Enough here. Me there me yard, when me look around, me there back to about 25 years. But a year and a half me house up here, so I go to 2 years. Me there all about, there are 3 miles of my original house in spot, but them build a bridge, so the people them split up, so them pass here, so me come here, so.
17 years. 17 years.
About 3 years now.
Life hard now make it get worse. Life hard now make it get worse. Now true money me a grab bag now pick purse. We no want lie in a hearse. Life hard and everybody know. Me know, you know, all squaddy know. Man say down to the cabin know. All the dead body know. Say you life hard.
Me tell you just walk a mile in my shoes, yeah, and understand what me I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes, yeah, and you will see so the pain real. And all who feels it knows it, yeah. That struggle, yeah, me never chose it, yeah. And the hardest thing for me do, yeah. Hardest thing for me do, yeah. Me mother, yeah. Me never want to tell you where.
Left from Charlie Smith to Calabar. No. No.
No guy school still, you know. Stop school from 6th grade. We may not all go pro school too. You see me? Me are 14.
Yeah.
Me not go pro school. You see me? Come back. No get for go high school. So I look or misunderstand the go down and may not get drop out. You see me? I look or think the go down. You see me? And a nigga in a someone.
I go Calabar, but badness, difference of youth, and from that we get
So
suspect.
you never finish Calabar?
No, fight to fight, but the fight wicked.
We got primary and junior, but we drop out of school, so you know we drop out of school. Them go start playing home because you don't know the mother love not really dead and you don't know the father dead, but you don't know father things set rough, so you don't know you have to get bad beaten when they run father.
Used to go a Coburn, Gardner and Haile Selassie. We never did finish up on certain things, you know?
So you do subjects or them thing like
No, but if you go do something, if you do one math subject or one English one, but certain things as I tell us about the parent thing, you couldn't make it out. Couldn't make it.
Yeah, mama go school, man, but we used to go school, but bad and give big trouble, you know. You see me? We go high school, man, because we can read certain way, you know, but more while we're dark, you know, like a midnight sometime, the system make it dark out, you know, make come like say we never go school, you know. Tarrant, me used to go, man, but me a boy played the situation, so me have end up do what me have to do and just go back to school like a chick me get. No, me just spend long, because the truth is a man, me take disrespect and some boy gang me just up one of them. You see it. From them time, I not tell them a lie. From them time, I go back to school. You know, eh?
which grade?
Them time, I'm in a house grade. About 9th grade. Them time, I go back to school.
Easy on them. When the system of easy on them. Oh, you be telling people easy on them. Like God, I'm here evil on them. I trust them, I give them all the kids so we get. Come when we are not far through this thing, me and wealth.
I have 3 sisters, 4 brothers, 3 of them dead.
What kill them?
Gunshot. 3 sisters right now and my brother drop out, you know, with my parents then.
What make your brother drop out?
He had sugar, him sick certain way, man. You know, him have pressure and him catch sugar and him have drink alcohol and smoke.
Brother and sister. Yeah, me a brother and sister.
What's brother and sister like?
We don't know, you know. You can't call.
Yes, enough struggle, Chuck lick me down and enough thing lick me down.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not dead. I'll shot me get and stop.
So how about the people them? Everybody your wife can dance and give money?
Some not give me and some give, but we know enough of them from Portmore. My wife care all about. You want all kill God and New Kingston. Yeah man. Enough time care people this man, enough time man this care people. Yeah, man, the top man, I'll kill one area legally. All the lady them know her, my friend from down at Tree, man. Love you, my mother, can't see her. Left me. Mommy don't left me. Love you. Man, them a wipe you. One man, them a wipe you. The hardest thing to you. You see somebody who give you money and know them and they make you not get no money from somebody. For the whole day, you not have no mind and no concentrate. Your brain just can't fall like all foreign. Tomorrow before your mind come back.
My toughest challenge now when I come and I can't get no money come like my press out, you know, I cut and go me hard, you know. Because I can't get no money come like say, I say I can't get no work like me I say I women they do it now. Yeah, see me, but you have to just have faith and just hold on and know say so. I got 40 car and the 40 car them tell me no, I feel like say more lick out all the class more while me I say no. You know me the hold the faith. You know me the hold the faith and go and wait until some 1-1 pork and me I get some 1-1 and 30 and some 50 me I say alright. Me I be a percent. Change out of some silver and have all the 5 bills or a 1,000 me I say alright. Yeah. Me have all the 1,000 or 50 bills me I say alright. You know me I lift up here now. Hold a sleep and me I buy a food.
This thing, no, you see true me deal with people with respect. Me don't really find it that hard, you understand, but sometimes they will come down and everybody will have a good day, you understand? And then everybody will come down happy, you understand? So sometimes them come down, them try to yell at me, you understand? But you have to stand up strong in the street. If you don't stand up strong, you diss them sometimes, but that's not the right thing to do, you understand? We know we're out here, so, and food we are look, it makes sense. We're going to come and we're going to diss people and we're going to come back the same day, and that's the next day. Alright. So me a man, I can ask anybody in the street, me know these people, man. So if them say no, and them definitely say no, we just gone, you understand?
Challenge always rough still, you know. You see me? More while we come out in the street, in the sun, we have to bear the sun heat and the pressure. More while some people will pass and give. You have good people and you have bad people, same way, you see me? Some of them we make no give nothing, same way, but you have some good out where we give a little change. So when we make a little muckle, we just turn it certain way, you see me? Try to get some food for it, you see me? For every cold stove we work it out for it. Buy a tin of mackerel and a pound of rice, just for them certain, you see me?
Because you don't know who have a bed for dead enough. Pick up yourself here. Sure. You don't know anything, they always support you with them down the street. Big up, hear me there, big up.
Parents, mother alone down there, so more when I come in, I have to just stay here, I think shake it, I clean, you know. At times, you know, although I have a woman too, you know. You see me? Yeah. You know, I don't know about no father, you know. I don't have a father, you know. I don't know about no father.
My mother and my father. My mother, you know, she work, you know, you see. My father don't care, you know. For me, I look a boy and my mother, you know. You understand? Yeah. My father look after me, you know. That's why I eat out there, so. Because enough time I sit down and I tell my baby, I say, look, my father never give me nothing, you know. Until now, my mother, you know, you can see. Enough time, and my mother have to feed them, you understand? Because sometimes we don't come on the road.
Deadbeat father. Deadbeat father. Yeah. Deadbeat father. Deadbeat father.
No, we throw a little partner and Christmas a come. Can't give a mother a thing, give a woman a thing. You see me? Because you have a throw a little partner, you know. And every day, so that, you know, when rain fall, you have to take up something, you can buy a pound of rice or 2. I know the rain fall, suppose the rain fall for 2 weeks, what do? still if you have something in a local corner, same way you have to bounce back on. So the thing going, you know.
I have baby and I have woman. Sometimes I give my mother and sometimes I give my sister. So
Yeah.
I have one pitney, one dead and I have one. My son dead and I have my daughter.
On the white line with there. Say dog every time. Oh man, I hunt me there on the white line.
Next time I hear from this, me that dream if you have more than a vehicle still in a more than a house, you know. Yeah, man. Then a good business, a development, you know. Different from all of this.
Me, would I like to achieve more than where me can more than achieve, you understand? Probably me don't want to live comfortable with my pitney them, have a work, can go to work, take care of my pitney them, take care of my woman, you understand? I'm more further in my life, 10 years from now.
All of them man, I see myself all over the stage, you know? I see to some people, and if I look up on Giants, I say that 5-year time, still I try to see them, you know, I try to put myself on a better man, I try to put medication, just say, speaking for some people, and try to, that's nobody can ram in the business. You see me, G, because the business where I'm going, I have to have help for the body. You see, a 5-year time, I give myself something boss, and a 5 year, I believe in it. You see me, G? And you remember this, I look at the video, you know, 5-year time from now and see. You see me, that?
Up in the music business, we want this still. Make some real money so we can help back with friend them on the stoplight. Same way, you see me? Yeah.
That's the biggest goal right now.
Yeah, man, the biggest dream that we have still.
I move up, man. I left the island, man. Just some more money I try to make up. Jamaica system, it's good when you have money, but not when you're poor. Now my life, yes, my life when me that match up, man. Friend them, corrupt and watch a woman and certain things.
Yeah.
Split up certain things. When I meet this, you know, nobody every year say, I have one clocks and be a clean clothes.
My goals are in a big man, I have my big house, you know. I have a couple million in the bank, you know. I have my kids, them, you know. And my goals that, you know. I'm there somewhere overseas, I do some work or wine, you know. Because I'm a trade man, you know. Trade me, I buy a lot to come like my can't win a lot, you know. Come like a free me, I buy a lot, you know. Because all me, I buy a lot for my number, them play for me get rich. To help my friend them. Because the whole of them have to back at me and stop wipe, you know. Because I'm rich now. Me say man, me about 20 coaster. You see me, business asset me a deal it. You see me have more taxi and them things. When I have to come out here, friend them have them thing them too. I saw me a pray my thing and my situation.
I want the government them to do something better for the youth them on the stoplight. So them can get, you see me, a change to better them life, you see me? Yeah. System always a fight still, you know. And the system make black people can better in a local way still, you see me? Because more while them run down all the youth them with a wipe car glass. And them sister the youth them a look at honest bread. Them run down the youth and you can't stay here. So what the youth them a go do? Them a send the youth, police them man. Yeah. More while you see them come, everybody have to run off for the stoplight. You see me? Can't secure. So them no want to do our work like them a tell we to go thief more while. But I true we stubborn, we still have to out and I do this thing same way as them drive down. We run go ups and run come back. Look out for them come back, we run gone more while them all lock up summary. Jail laws for just wipe car. You see me? Them things then are nice. You see me? Yeah man.
Ready to, I come like a ready to peak for me to start, you know, whoop it. I tell you, I told me about $1 million things to tell the government, I don't know what to tell him. But get me off of the street. and get the whole of we work. We want work and we can't get none. And we can't get no work, we don't come out here because if we don't come out here, anything can happen when they take up gun and them thing there and shoot people and them thing that we are run from. Them thing there, them temptation there. For there we are, we end up have gun in our way and that we are run from. So we come out on the street, see it, came out disrespect we are get. We just hold it out first. Yeah, and more while police come run we down for nothing at all. Run we down when they want we out here. But we stubborn, when them come and them run we down. I them gone we again. And them lock we up and we come back and we again. So you have to lock we up a million times and we again, so prefer you kill we. Because we not done come back.
So why you think you always have to come back?
We don't have no more source, so I have to come back and work. I work, I come. You see me come and work and you run me down, I come back and work. Just like a man in the street, he must sell him thing them. In the street and you tell them say, yo, no offender there rule, I either give him a work. Or you feel like him and the manage to him pitney them. He not giving nothing for do. We can't, you see me? But we not come hold up my body and rob them, you know. Also we have come hold stuff for honest better and move again, you know. If you look we make a mockery, you know. You see me? Why if a man can't say him not have the money, we move on. Yo, brother, drive safe for next time. You see me?
When I said to the government, say, best thing him to do, I just open some more training program and open some more business place so people can get work, you understand? And they must look out for the people them in the inner city. Because and everybody in the inner city body, you understand? You have good come from the inner city too, you understand? We out here say, you know, and all the way, done, you know, we can go back to school and do back work, you see it? And all the way out here, we know how to talk to people. We can write, we can read, and we also got the work program too, you see it?
You gotta say to the government right here now, to take time out and take participate in the people in the country, you know? Just like how them that drive fast, so I tell them to walk fast to heal up the youth them. You see it? Yeah man. So we have the powers and they in the position, you know? So come like say we get left out. Yeah.
Breathing underwater, deeper than the waves, floating like a feather to another day, another day, another day beneath the waves.
Oh, welcome back. Alright, so I hope the video give you a little bit more insight of these young men. You know what I mean? And I know you find it very interesting. You found it very interesting, rather. I know you found it very interesting. And, you know, you kind of open your eyes a little bit. You know, when you're driving past these young men, you will probably look at them differently because we all are Jamaicans. Not everybody was born with a gold spoon in their mouth. You know what I mean? So some people are less fortunate, some are very fortunate. So I hope the video kind of give you a little bit more insight or a little bit more sympathy towards these young men at the stoplight when you pull up. You know what I mean? So if it's even $20, not much, because they don't ask a specific amount. You know what I mean? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Alright? I'm out.